In this video on fractions, we're going to learn how to convert improper fractions to mixed numerals. So let's have a look. When we're converting improper fractions, it's important to know that mixed numerals and improper fractions are exactly the same thing, just written in different ways. Let's take a look at that on a number line. Here is a number line from 0 to 3. You can see all the quarters down below from 1 quarter all the way up to 12 quarters, but when you see 4 over 4 or 4 quarters, that's the same as 1 whole. 8 quarters is the same as 2 wholes, and 12 quarters is the same as 3 wholes. In this video, we're going to learn how to change those 7 quarters into the mixed numeral of 1 and 3 quarters. So let's have a look. We are asked to write 7 over 4 as a mixed number. Here I have 2 wholes broken up into quarters, and I'm shading in 7 quarters. The first shape has 4 quarters coloured in, and the second shape has 3 quarters coloured in. But those 4 quarters is the same as saying 1 whole. So as a mixed number, we have 1 and 3 quarters shaded in. This is the same as 7 over 4. Let's say I wanted to do 9 quarters, but I didn't want to draw a picture for it. We have to ask ourselves, how many times does 4 go into 9? That's how many wholes we're going to have. Well, 4 times 2 will give us 8, which is less than 9, and 4 times 3 will give us 12, which is more than 9. This means that 4 will go into 9 2 times. But because 4 times 2 is 8, there is 1 left over. So we're going to have 2 wholes with 1 out of 4 left over, meaning that 9 over 4 is the same as 2 1/4. Let's try another example. For example, writing 10 over 3 as a mixed number. We ask how many times does 3 go into 10? Well, 3 3s are 9 and 3 4s are 12. So it goes into it 3 times. So our mixed number is going to have 3 wholes in the answer. 1 is left over out of 3, so our 10 over 3 becomes 3 and 1/3. What if we wanted to write 17 over 6 as a mixed number? Again, we ask ourselves how many times 6 goes into 17. If we know our times tables, we know that 6 times 2 will give us 12, and 6 times 3 will give us 18, meaning that 6 will go into 17 2 times, giving us 2 wholes in our answer. 5 out of 6 is left over, so our our mixed number is 2 and 5 over 6. Our last example would be to ask to write 22 over 5 as a mixed number. Here, 22 over 5, we ask how many times 5 goes into 22. 5 4s are 20, and 5 5s are 25, meaning that 5 goes into 22 4 times. We have 2 out of 5 left over, meaning that our mixed number is 4 and 2 over 5. So here is what you should write. A heading that improper fractions are going to be converted to mixed numbers, a little bit of a definition, and then the 4 examples that we looked at in this video. And that's it. Pause the video, write it down. Hopefully now you can convert improper fractions into mixed numerals, and you can do that tomorrow in class. Good luck.